Good morning and happy Thursday. Today is the last trading day of this week. There's no trading tomorrow because of Good Friday. Just want to do a quick Robinhood portfolio update before the market closes. I'll go over all the positions that I'm currently holding and some option plays that you guys can consider. So stick around. But before I continue, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. I also just started a Patreon Discord page where I'm trying to find like-minded people like myself who wants to make money in the stock markets. We already have 50 members in the Discord. We would love for you to come collaborate with us, learn new strategies, learn how to sell options, and let's all find the next hottest stock. If you guys are interested, check out my link down below. I will also be sharing my trades and buy alerts with you guys. So it is up 2.40% today. The market is finally green, and so is tech. And we'll check the 1 year. It is up 59%, all-time highs 59% because I started this account last year and I'm trying to grow this account to $100,000 by the end of this year. There's still plenty of time, 8 months left. So if you want to follow my journey, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I do these daily updates. So we'll check my options. I like selling options. Why? Because it generates me income immediately, consistently. That's what I'm looking for, immediately and consistently. So we have AMC. This is a cover call. So AMC is planning on doing a share offering, a $500 million share offering. Again, they raised a lot of cash all last year, and I'm guessing they're still struggling, so I can only imagine that they need to raise more money, which caused the stock price to drop from a high of 1040 today to now 989. So if you guys are planning to buy more shares, now would be a good time. It's under $10. So this is a cover call. So what this is saying essentially is setting a sell limit. When we set a sell limit, we usually set it above where the stock is trading at. So I have a sell limit at 14. So I am going to sell, or I have to sell 100 shares at $14 if and only if the stock price is at 14 or above. So I am using 100 shares as collateral, and in return I received a very tiny premium. And I only receive a very tiny premium is because I sold this contract this week. So the earlier you sell a contract, the more premium that you will get. And of course, the more contracts you sell, the more premium you will get. I mean, you might think that $4 is nothing, but $4 could be a gallon of gas somewhere in the US. So if we were to sell a cover call for next week or in the next 2 weeks, because I know a lot of people have at least 100 shares of AMC, and I've been saying this for the past month or so. I was able to collect a lot of money just from selling cover call. I wouldn't say a lot, but enough for me for expenses. And honestly, you can just go further out and the strike price. So think of the strike price as your sell price. Okay, so we'll go to 16 April. So that's 2 weeks from tomorrow. And let's say, look, a 20 strike price. It's possible that AMC can have a short squeeze all the way to 20. If that's the case, what you can do then is roll the contract over to the next week or the following month and just keep rolling it until the option expires worthless. When the option expires worthless, that means your shares will be released back to you. You don't have to sell it at that price. But look, you're going to receive $25 for every 100 shares. This will reduce your cost basis. And I'm going further out in the strike price. So if you, let's say 15, normally I do 15. 15, you're looking at $37. So $37 you receive immediately. You can actually use this money to buy shares of AMC. So I'm not sure why a lot of people don't do it. You don't have to only do it on AMC. You can do it on any type of stock that offers options. And I know because I think people are scared there's going to be a short squeeze, but we haven't had one for a while now, since January. So why not generate extra income while you wait for the stock to go up? And I'm bullish. I have 200 shares of AMC, so don't think I'm not bullish on AMC. So next up, we have Sundial. This is a cash secure put. So this is the opposite of a cover call. It's saying I want to buy Sundial when it goes to 150. Well, it is below 150 at the moment, which means I probably, most likely, will have to buy 100 shares at 150 if the stock price stays below 150. But I collected a $40 credit. We see here average credit. So making my break-even price to 110. As long as Sundial is above 110, I will be profitable. It looks like I'll be up $4, even though I'm buying it at 150. So this is another good strategy. If you guys are planning to buy 100 shares of the underlying stock, you can sell cash secure puts, generate income, lower your cost basis. It's almost a win-win. And then we have another cover call. So I sold this a lot earlier than the previous one. So this is a 16 strike price. I was able to collect $10. $10 can get me 1 share of AMC. Why not? And then we have Genius, cash secure puts, SOS. I have a lot of SOS because I'm very bullish on SOS. Who else is bullish on SOS? If you are, let me know in the comments down below. I'm just here trying to help people learn new strategies that they can implement into their trade so they can generate extra income. And check out my Discord if you're interested in learning new strategies, collaborating with other people. You can easily make this back in one option trade. Next, we have some BlackBerry cover calls. BlackBerry, I am down because I got in at the very top, unfortunately. SOS, more cash secure puts, BNGO, cash secure puts. You can see they're all mostly sells. And then we get down here, they're call options. I have AMC leap calls. So I got these leap calls back in December when no one was really talking about AMC. I was able to get 10 contracts. I sold 7 contracts when the stock went up to $20. I was able to make $10,000 on those 7 contracts. Thankfully, I'm still up $1,800. But those 3 contracts were up $4,000. And then we have a lot of Nokia leap calls. They're down. They're way down, actually, especially this one. Thankfully, they expire in 2023. Like, I want to be able to add more to this. I want to lower my cost basis, but I feel like the more I keep adding, the more it just goes down. So I'm just going to leave it. And then now we get to stocks. I have 200 shares, like I was saying, 200 shares of AMC. And so these cover calls, you can sell them on with your shares, as well as if you have leap calls or just calls, you can also sell cover calls against those as well. So I've been doing them on my AMC call options that I have. And we have Nikola, Vaxar. A lot of my stocks are down. We have Sens, Nokia, AMD, Sundial. Oh, where's Sundial? Oh, it's down 0.13%. Not good. Jagex was up earlier. Now it's back down again. Luquan, Assertio, and Funware. Well, good thing Funware is going up a little bit. And that's all I have. You can pretty much sell cover calls on any stocks that you have that offers options. And it's just a great way to generate extra money. For example, Nikola. I know Nikola is not going to go to 21. I got this pretty high. And I was able to collect $10. I mean, it doesn't seem like it's a lot, but once you start doing this every week, every other week, every month, it definitely adds up. And you want to be able to make consistent money. And I need to be able to make consistent money because I am doing this full time for a living. And I'm also trying to build up my YouTube channel, but that's definitely going to take a long time to build up. So I need to make money consistently in order to survive in the stock market. And that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you got this far, I still have $600 in my buying power. So let me know what you want me to look at. And also, do consider joining the Patreon Discord page. On Discord page, I do share my updates in the Market Gold Investor tier. And I am just trying to find people where we can talk about stocks, cryptocurrency, and options and just growing as a community and growing our accounts together. Trading, investing can be lonely, and you just want to be able to do it with a community. So do consider joining the Patreon page. Thanks so much. Hi there. If you are interested in helping out the channel, you can sign up for Weibo if you haven't already. They are currently offering 2 free stocks now. It used to be 4, so you don't want to wait until it gets to 1 free stock or no stocks at all. So you get 1 free stock when you open up a Weibo account. And when you deposit $100 or more, you get 1 more free stock, which is valued between $8 and $1,600. And if you are transferring from another brokerage, they will reimburse you the fees up to $100. And you will also receive a complimentary 3-month subscription to Level 2 Events NASDAQ Total View from the day you sign up. So guys, what are you waiting for? 2 free stocks are waiting for you.